The second wave of coronavirus has swept the country. Today, India has recorded more than 4,12,000 COVID-19 cases, and the death toll in India today is at around 3,980. And despite the high number of COVID cases being recorded in the country almost every day, people are refusing to take the lesson. The police in Gujarat on Wednesday have arrested 23 people, including a village head, for organizing a huge religious procession in the state's Ahmedabad city to eradicate the coronavirus. The incident took place on May 3rd in Navapura village in the city and came at a time when the country is in the midst of an unprecedented coronavirus crisis, witnessing scenes of people dying outside overburdened hospitals and funeral pyres lighting up the night sky. Purported video of the gathering on social media showed what seemed like hundreds of women carrying steel pots filled with water on their heads as they walked together in a procession with zero regard to physical distancing practices. Hardly anyone could be seen wearing a mask. The police said the devotees were walking to a nearby temple to get rid of coronavirus. The police officers also said that it was the belief of the villagers that the virus will just go away if they poured water on the idol of their community deity Baliya Dev. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.